Welcome to the episode where we'll learn how to record lunch breaks in the new Fieldclix mobile app. Since you can only record your lunch breaks during the work shift, that is the period between clocking in and clocking out, let's pretend that you have already clocked in, and it's lunchtime. It's usually set up to send you an app notification about your upcoming lunch. When you get it, tap the push notification to open the app and record a lunch break. You'll see the screen with the work shift lunches. To start, tap the Add Lunch button and it will open the lunch card. Review the lunch details like the start time and duration. The default duration is typically 30 minutes, but if you need to take a longer lunch break, just tap the Increase Duration button to set the desired duration. If you'd like to learn how to adjust the lunch start time and decrease the lunch duration, fast forward through the video to the appropriate episodes. And if you're ready, just tap Save to start recording your 30-minute lunch. Once you save the lunch, you will be returned to the List of Lunches screen. Green indicates that the lunch is being recorded. There is the lunch countdown. If you are not allowed to clock in from lunch earlier, so you don't see the Stop Lunch button, you will be automatically clocked in from lunch when the countdown stops. You can easily extend the lunch break you're currently taking. Open the list of lunch breaks. Tap the active lunch. When the lunch card opens, increase the duration of lunch by as much as you need. Tap Save. You'll be taken back to the lunch list screen. You'll see that the countdown is refreshing. We've got another amazing lunch option for you. It's a simple way to adjust the start time of your lunch break. Open the list of lunches. Tap the lunch you want to change. In the lunch card, set a new start time. Tap Save. Please note that depending on the alterations you have made, the updated lunch may be either completed or still in progress at this time. Depending on your company's lunch policy, you may be able to take a shorter lunch break than usual, typically lasting at least 30 minutes. In the Fieldclix mobile app, you can do this in several ways. Shorten the lunch period or clock in from lunch earlier. Let's take a look. Add a lunch break as we learned earlier. In the lunch card, decrease the duration by tapping the reduction buttons. Tap Save. Again, the updated lunch may be either finished or still in progress at this time. Or you can simply stop the lunch break. On the lunches screen, you will see lunch that is now in progress. Tap Finish Lunch to clock in from lunch. You will see that the lunch is stopped. Moving on to the next episode, add a missed lunch. There's a quick way to add a missed lunch in the mobile app. Open the lunch list screen. Here you'll see scheduled lunches that you haven't recorded. Tap Add button. Tap the lunch you want to add. Review lunch details. Make any necessary changes, such as changing the duration or adjusting the start time. Tap Save. Check that lunch has been added. The big advantage of the updated lunch tool is that you can now edit your lunch breaks at any time during your shift. In the example we're going to look at, an employee, let's say John, recorded two 30-minute lunch breaks. In fact, John took a 60-minute lunch break, which he now wants to reflect in the mobile app. First, open the lunches screen. Tap the lunch you want to edit. Then adjust the time. For this example, we'll change the duration. Tap Save. Now let's delete the second lunch break. Open it and tap Delete. You'll be returned to the lunches screen. Review your changes. Like a shorter lunch, a waived lunch tool is set up in the employee's timekeeping configuration. So if you're allowed to waive lunch, you'll see such a button on the lunches screen. Tap the Waive button. Enter any comments and tap OK. Once you've done this, you'll see a lunch with a duration of 0 on the screen, which is actually the lunch you've waived. There is no limit to the number of times you can waive lunch. You can also start lunch even if you've sent a note about waiving lunch earlier. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new content.